Hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel #The Storyteller for more interesting stories.
Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching The Storyteller. Sirisha over here, and today I'm gonna share very personal and my own thing which gave me life, which has taught me so many things in life. And you might all be wondering already, why is this Decathlon ID card in my hand? And yes, I'm gonna tell you the story. And before that, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get notifications. So let's get started. So it was when I finished my engineering, and you all know that. Oh, by the way, I am an aeronautical engineer. I'm in love with flights. I'm just obsessed with flights. Okay, so I finished my engineering and I got placed through campus. And sadly, I worked over there for only maybe a week. Yeah. Don't take this as inspiration. I don't say quitting is a great thing, but yeah, I worked at that company for a week, and then I realized that this is not my space, and I left the job and I started learning more about flights, because from my childhood I always wanted to fly. I always wanted to be into aviation, and as much close I can be to flights, I wanted to stay. So I opted for GMR Aviation Academy at Hyderabad, and there I started learning more about flights, getting trained as for the designation of TAC, and then I finished my course. Okay, and there were no vacancies. I was just like that, sitting at my hostel, and I was doing nothing. I was learning online about flights. I was reading, and studying more, and I was going deeper into the subject of flights, and then. So the store is 2 kilometers away from the airport of Hyderabad, and all of our gang used to go and play over there, like table tennis and all games. So so I was so much bored at my place, and I was like, what are we doing? We are doing nothing. As all of the engineers think about like this, I was also thinking the same. And then it was a very random call that I made to Decathlon, Shamshabad. And I asked him if I can join as a part-timer over there, because I have to study for my course in aviation. And I was missing seeing at the flights, and I was missing looking at the sky, because I used to stay 9.5, 10 kilometers away from the airport, and Aviation Academy was right beside the airport, and this store was also 2 kilometers from the airport, so it was parallel to the runway anyways outside. So I was missing looking at flights. I was so obsessed with flights. I could not stay without looking at them. So I decided if I joined this store, I could look at flights. And that was maybe a selfish or foolish thought that I had. But then, I went there and I gave my interview, and then and there, after an hour maybe, they told me that I can join from tomorrow. So sales and marketing, business, I don't know much about it. I was never into business management, but yeah, well, I was in second year of engineering. As I said, I don't like sitting idle, and engineering classes, you know how they go through. So when I was in engineering, I started my own event management company in Hyderabad. It was running good though. So according to the time, according to the knowledge that I had that time, and according to my age over that time, I gained few good amount of money. And money was never the thing which made me join a lot of part-times, by the way. I always want to keep myself busy. That was why I used to look for options that I could do. And yeah, pretty much it. And
So every day I used to wake up, get ready, head towards the store, and look at the beautiful sky. And yeah, it was a great place and an open place which gives a lot of peace of mind. And the first thing is opening the store, and as soon as the store opens, we get to do and greet everybody inside the store. So the first, foremost, and most disciplined and important thing in the store is you flip your name card, and that made me more disciplined and remember things, as I forget things so much. So yeah.
so Decathlon is a great place. It's not branding, it's not boosting about things, but yeah, I have never thought I could work at a place for so long which is not my own place, which does not give me my self happiness, and decathlon was nowhere related to flights, just because I was so selfish to look at flights from there. If I can work for 6 to 7 hours over at decathlon, I can look after flights. I mean, I can see flights in the sky going around and I can hear the voice. That was the only motive why I joined decathlon in the beginning. And then the first day at the store was amazing. People over there are very welcoming. The policy of decathlon is, I don't know about all of the stores around the globe, but Shamshabad store was really amazing over there. And then I learned many things. So in the beginning, I joined as a CRM referent over there. So I was in the billing counter in the beginning, and it was so exciting. It was a very new and real thing that I have never done, you know.
So that's the place, and he is Mr. Divakar. It was a pretty exciting place though.
A lot of things I learned, and the first thing that I learned from decathlon is patience. Patience is really important. Like, this is the best and foremost important thing that you need to have in aviation also. So it had helped me in that way also. The second thing I learned is discipline. So at decathlon na, we'll have afternoon. जब afternoon होता था तो हमारा एक meeting होता था. Like meeting के time पे हम सब लोग साथ में आके अपना व्यूज़ देते थे, और we used to give our views and thoughts about the store, the improvement and what's going on correct, what's not going on properly and all. We used to share each other's thoughts, and there was no superiority or inferiority thought process over there. Everybody were treated equal. There was to make fun. We used to have a lot of fun over there. We used to go for parties. We used to go for team lunches and dinners, and we used to go for outings, and lot of stuff we did over there. And
We used to celebrate every birthday, functions, parties, festivals, national days, and everything at store. And we used to take out time to play together during the nights, and we used to have a lot of fun, camps, etc. And within no time, I was shifted to cycling department, where I used to have to check the facing early in the morning as soon as I come, and a lot of stuff to do.
a place which is very close to my heart, because it has taught me very important things in life, and it has given me all the happiness that I needed at that point of time, because this place has given me so much love, and this place has given me a lot of experience. I am still into aviation, I will be into aviation, but this store, if I get a chance to work again with you guys, I will for sure come to you guys, and I would love to work with you. And I'm missing all of you guys at Shamshabad store, guys, because if you're watching this video, please leave a comment down below. And life of a decathlete is really amazing. It's very challenging every day, and I was thinking to connect all of the decathletes around the globe that I could be able to connect according to my network. I'll try to connect, and let's have a fun game around after. So life as a decathlete is really amazing and really challenging. Every day you get a new challenge, every day you get to learn something new, and every day you can make new friends over there, and it's really a close and cool place to work with, and all of the teammates over there, guys, you're amazing. I really miss you all, and yeah, great Monty. I'm sorry guys, he went out, so I have to go and pick him up. So he's Zulu. If you have not seen his video, the video will be in the description down below. And yeah, if you like the video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and share the video with all of your friends and family, and leave the comment that if you are anywhere associated with decathlon. And see you again. Until then, spread love, keep smiling. Bye bye.